Hi, this is Mr. Cotton. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your PowerPoint link. In the first video, I showed you how to upload, but now I'm going to show you how to share it. After this video, you can also apply these skills to share your PowerPoints, your Microsoft Word documents, and even your Microsoft Excel documents too. All right, so first thing you want to do is go to the assignment. This is my physical PowerPoint that I uploaded, but now I'm going to show you how to share. So I'm going to hit Edit Submission. I'm going to go down to this text box. Now the first thing I want you to do is I want you to write your name. So I would write, Brandon Cotton, because that is my name. All right. Then you're going to go to your PowerPoint. All right. Now I'm going to use my sample PowerPoint right here that I created. Okay. And there's two things that you have to do first. First thing, you have to make sure that you have it saved. So once again, you can hit save as a copy online. Save. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go over to this share button right here. Okay. And you want to make sure that it's set to anyone with the link can view. Okay. Anyone with this link can view. You can set it to a lot of other different things. Usually I would have you set it to people in Stafford, but just for the sake of this first assignment, we're going to set it to anyone with the link, because with this video, anyone with this link can view it. So even your mom, your dad, your friends who may do not go to Stafford can see it. Okay, so we're going to set it to this, and we're just going to hit apply. And then right here where you see copy link, you're going to hit copy the link, copy again. Okay, you're going to go back to the PowerPoint. And then I want you to highlight your name just like that. Just highlight it. There's this button right here called link. You're going to click it. Here you are going to paste the link that you got right here. You're going to take this link and paste it right here. And you're going to click on this box and hit create link. Okay? Just like that. And then you're just going to hit save changes. Okay, you can also do it through here if you're tech savvy, because you have the link option right there for you as well. Same way like I just did right here, but it's way easier just to do it in the actual program. Okay, you'll hit save changes, and now you have your physical copy, and you have the online text copy that you put right here, this link. So when you click this link now, it will pop up automatically for me to view, just like this. Okay, that is how you upload and share your link. Thank you for watching.